Concept 2, finding the degree of a polynomial. So a polynomial is a number of monomials that are separated by either addition or subtraction. Okay? And a monomial is a polynomial, it's just a one-term polynomial. Usually polynomials have multiple terms, but they can just have one, and the name for that is monomial. Okay? Finding the degree of a polynomial, that's the same as finding the highest degree monomial, okay? And that's going to be the same degree. So if I look at my first polynomial, see, and this has one term, and then separated by subtraction, two terms, separated by addition, three terms. So this is a three-term polynomial, okay? The degree of the highest degree monomial is the degree of the polynomial. This has an x squared, so my degree is going to equal 2. Okay? Because this would be a 1-degree monomial, this would be a 0-degree monomial. So I'm going to take my highest one at a 2-degree monomial, and that's going to be the degree for my polynomial. Alright, let's do a few more. Okay, so now if I go through and count this one up, I have a 0-term monomial, a 1-term monomial, a 3-degree monomial, okay, and then I have a 5 degree monomial. So I have a monomial that's a 5th degree, and that's my largest, so my polynomial is a 5-degree polynomial. Okay, it's also a 4-term polynomial, but we'll look at that later. Alright, looking at these ones, we have a y squared, so that's a 2-degree monomial, a negative x to the 5th, so that's a 5th degree polynomial, and then I have x to the 3rd times y, so that's 3 plus 1, 4, so this is going to be my largest degree, again at 5. Okay. Alright, and last one for this, I've got a 3rd degree monomial, I've got a 4 plus 1, 5 degree monomial, and I've got a 5, 6, 7 degree monomial. And, this term, depending on what I put in for y and x, this monomial might actually have a smaller value, right? Because I'm multiplying it by 1/2, whereas this one I'm multiplying by 20. But I don't care about that. I don't care about the constants next to it. All I care about are the exponents above the variables. Okay? So this one had a 7-degree monomial, so it's a 7-degree polynomial.